Hello everyone, how to tours back with another app review video. So in this video you are going to learn about the app TrulyThai dating app. So this is a dating app based on Thailand, but you can use this app from around the world. So you can see 4.7 ratings out of 5, so it's really amazing app. When you get any app, the app is more than 4, so you consider that the app is perfect and people use this. And you can see the reviews, 335 reviews. It means 335 people write something about this app. We will see it later. The size of the app is too light, 22 megabyte only, and 50,000 people already downloaded this app. And I will see some screenshot here. You can see TrulyThai, the best place to meet Thais. Browse singles. You can see the people they give you. You can also translate if they provide you an Thai language. You can start video chat. You can see the profile. You can also see their social media link and their bio, their race, their country, everything. And if you match, then you can start. There is a translation also. Okay. So we'll see about this app. Thai dating and chat with singles. Install now. This is an official Android app of TrulyThai. So there is some feature. Create your profile in a minute. It's easy to use, and you can call video. And the app is released 2019, and they are updating every month. And we'll see some ratings and reviews. What actual people think about this app. We'll see 5-star reviews. This app good for making new friends. While I do like it a lot, I don't dig how you can't send messages to other members. Whatever I want to leave one, I'm always prompted to get a premium membership. So it's not really free. You have to buy the package if you want to get the full feature here. We'll see some negative reviews. Oh, you can see too many bugs. Camera doesn't work to upload picture. Can't even get verified cause it's issue. So they support it. If you face any problem, you should let them know. They give the replay all the feedback. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.